Hey lovelies, how are you? Hope you're fine. Welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. So someone gave me that fish and I was thinking, what should I do with it? So I had lots of vegetables, so I'm going to cook it with the vegetables that you see. The potatoes, zucchini, tomatoes, garlic, green pepper, carrots, eggplants, and red onions. For the tomatoes, I've blended them, so we just have a thick tomato sauce. Then for the fish, I'm going to soak it in water. Normally they just soak it in plain water, but I'm going to soak it in water that has a little bit of salt. This is fresh water fish, so that means it has no salt in it. So if I put it in the water for like 10 minutes, at least it will get some salt in it. Yeah, so just soak it and let it rest for about 10 minutes in the water. Add some vegetable oil to your pan and then let it cook. Then you're going to first fry the eggplants until they're all soaked in oil and a little bit turning brown. So I've just added in the red onions and I'm going to fry them together with the eggplants until they lose color. So add your garlic and fry it for a few seconds. Then add the green pepper, also fry for a few seconds. Just let the flavors come out of these things. Then we are going to add the rest of the vegetables at once. So I'm adding some salt to the vegetables since they're becoming soft. Then some turmeric, that was half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is coriander powder, half a teaspoon. And fish curry powder, that is 1 teaspoon. Mix it up all together and just let everything mix. It's going to be a very delicious meal. So now we add the tomatoes. Everything looks good together, everything looks nice. Just make sure everything combines together so that you have a very delicious sauce. Just let it simmer on very low heat. We need these vegetables to be soft and cooked. So in a glass, I've put very little flour, that's about 1 tablespoon. Add some water and then mix it all up together. Make sure all the flour is mixed in the water. We don't want any lumps. And then we are going to add this to the vegetables because we need our sauce to be very thick. I've added in very little. I want it to first boil, then I'll add in the rest later on. Doesn't it look nice? Doesn't it look appealing to the eye? So I'm adding the rest of the water to the pan and I'm going to let it simmer until all the vegetables are cooked and soft. Not very soft though, but I want them cooked. While the vegetables are simmering on low heat, remove your fish, set it aside, and let them cook. They look ready right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to place the fish in the pan. Yeah, so the carrots are still a little bit hard, plus the potatoes, because they're still going to cook for another few minutes before I place the fish in. Sorry guys, I had to break the fish because first of all, I'm not alone. Yeah, sorry. But anyway, just let it simmer on low heat. I'm just going to cook it for 5 minutes and that's it. Because this fish is smoked, and by the time they finish the smoking process, it's already cooked. So this is it. Looks very nice. Very delicious, of course. Don't forget to try it out and please give me your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.